morning. Today my name is Aditya Yadav and I am from KVAGCR, and my topic for the build-a-thon is the tension membrane structures. So what are these tension membrane structures? These are basically the structures which are made for the sustainable development of the India and integrate them into the architectural land. So how they work are, so these are the models which are based on the simple movies strips, and we all know about the movie strip. It is like a 3D structure, not particularly 3D, but it is like a challenge to the mathematical topology. And so the movie strip, is very efficient in the designing of these buildings, and how we can integrate them in the modern present day architecture is in this way. So this is a like uh, a 90% or 80% appropriate image of the building, that how it might also look to you. And its major characteristics are, it is a lightweight, natural light, as it will be made of glass everywhere. Everywhere, like not all everywhere. There would be like cable structures in between, and on the cable structures there would be glasses. So it would give natural light, as wherever the light would fall. Like example, if the sun is here, then the rays will all follow all over the building, due to which it would become very much energy efficient. In the daytime, it not require any much electricity than as compared to the normal buildings. And its flexible forms, like flexible forms, it means they can be converted into any form, like you can take them into smaller things, and as big as the stadiums and arenas all around the world. Then there come minimal foundation impact, as they are very much lightweight, so they require a very much minimal foundation work in the deep the ground. And due to their lightweight, they do not even put much more pressure on the foundation of the building. And green integration, especially how we can integrate them to the greenery and sustainability for the country, as that is the main purpose of a builder. So how we can integrate them is, first, it is energy efficient, it will conserve the energy. And then what it is, green integration. Green integration means green integration. So how should we explain them is, we could integrate them with the parks, many parks, and sunlight is all over there, so it is energy efficient. Green integration is all the part of it, like you're saving the sunlight, saving space, which could be used for even more planting more trees and all. So these are the main major characteristics, and now we would dive into a a more detailed explanation of these tension membrane structures. So that's how we give it. Now we are going to talk about its characteristics. So it majorly comprises of three characteristics, which are shape, designed by tension. So what is the shape? Its shape is designed by tension. So what does it mean? Is that it has a cable and edge system, and in this cable and edge system, there is tension in the cables, due to which it withholds its structure very efficiently. And here it covers the two main two main characteristics, and the third point is durability. Though the durability is very important factor in any structure, because if you have built it, it must like it must stand up tall, so that you could be in it. And it mainly depends on the fabric's longevity, the fabric which are used in the cables and edge systems and all. And its main thing is UV resistant glasses and all, like the windows that we use, or the transparent glasses that we are going to use in them, must be UV resistant, so that due to not due to effective not due to over much sunlight can affect the burning in the skin, although they do not affect much. But for the states like Delhi, UP and Haryana and all. And cleaning and maintenance is pretty much easy, because of its definite easy structure and all. So that was all about the characteristics and structure. Now let's move to our next topic. So now our next topic is sustainable aspects. So this So the sustainable aspect of these buildings are low embodied energy. It means that it requires lesser energy as compared to the other counterparts. As more buildings are seen to be like concrete structures, concrete walls, like no sunlight can enter inside the building. But this allows all the sunlight to get trapped inside the structure. Daylight harvesting, it is same as that. Most of the daylight will be consumed in the light. Most of the daylight is consumed by the structure as it has transparent glass outside. So the availability of energy for the especially for the lights is very less in the daytime, and in the nighttime it may vary. Adaptability, its major thing is adaptability of its structure. This structure can be adaptable in various environment and various situations accordingly. And then potential for interior renewals, for such as they can be integrated with PV panels, and many green roof strategies can also be applied on the structure, so that we could promote greenery and also become energy efficient in the buildings. And these type of structure can always and these type of structures can promote the sustainability very much in the pre-modern world. Our last topic is its examples and application. Obviously, if we are going to build it, we must need to know about its application. So, its few examples and applications are stadium, arena. Stadium and arena, which a good example of it can be a stadium which is built in the Madrid for the football team Real Madrid. Although it may look like a movie strip stadium, but like it has a similar structure, not completely same. Uh, and then some arenas that can build on these structures. Then expo structures, as expo structure we need, so these can be very much integrated in that. And research on movies homes. So like these, we know that movie strip is a very much challenge to a mathematical topology and our understanding to the dimensions of the particular object or a thing. So these structures can be used so that we can research on those type of shapes and get a good knowledge of them. So although these are all the examples and application for this tension membrane structures, and so this was my idea for the buildathon, and for the tension membrane structures. And in the end, I would like to say thank you and have a good day.